What it do, y'all? Hopefully y'all like that little installation. It was like a slight, I didn't really feel like talking, but it was like a little installation video, you know what I'm saying, for the steering wheel. So hopefully y'all mess with that. It looked good. Tell me what y'all think. So let's get straight into the video. I have more work to do. Don't be scared to like, comment, subscribe, turn the post notices on, do something. So today we got a lot of little stuff, you know what I'm saying, to get taken care of. I got some parts in. I had to finish up some of the wiring, like the fans. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna try to finish up the fan wire. I'm gonna try to get this, I bought this little coolant reservoir off Amazon. It looks pretty decent. I don't really like how they got it mounted like this to a, but it's whatever. Probably not even gonna pay attention to it or even see it, but I'm trying to figure out a spot somewhere in the engine bay to mount that. I was thinking right here somewhere, but I really wanted to put my fan relays down there, so I didn't want to have too much going on. So I think I'm gonna just get rid of this. Put that coolant reservoir right there and call it a day. Can't get more straightforward than that. So let me get the tools I need and let me put y'all down. Probably put y'all on time lapse or something, and get this mounted and situated. That's the final product. It looks cool, I guess. I don't know how I feel about it. I care, but I kind of don't really care because I don't really plan on popping this hood too much. So it's like, as long as it works. That's the main thing. As long as it works. If it works, then it's cool. But if I ain't never told y'all anything, just listen to me here. Don't take the cheaper route when you working on these cars, bro. Spend the money on the tools, spend the money on the parts. It saves you a lot of time. That right there took me 20 minutes when it really should have took me like probably 3. And it mainly took me 20 because I ain't had the right drill bits. So if I just would have spent the money on the right drill bits, got the right sizes and all that, it would have been a quicker process. I was getting annoyed because it was taking a little bit too long. But you know, that's the life of working on cars. You think it's gonna take 3 minutes and it really takes 2 days. So just spend the money on the right parts. The outlet's right there. So I'm probably gonna run the hose over the top up over here, or maybe just run it along somewhere up there. So I'm probably try to run it on the fans and then come up to make it look a little bit more slick or whatever. Check that off the list that we got made. Might try to make me a bracket or something for these relays to sit on and then wire up the relays. So finally, this is like day 5 of trying to get in the garage and get this done. But we finally got the relays wired up for the most part. So I'm pretty much about to probably end this video off. Well, let me show you. Yeah, pretty much. I made this little bracket. I'm gonna paint it black in a minute. I made that bracket. Got the 2 power wires connected together, going to one. Wiring gurus, don't get on me about none of that. I don't really care. I've done it on other cars and it worked before. Got the fans to the ECU and this one right there. Then I just have to wire it up to the actual fans. Pretty much gotta figure out what plug I need for the y'all can see that, and I can run the power wire to this, and then run the neck to ground to the ground, and the fans be wired up. Later on today, I'm about to meet up with some dude to go get me some tires for this car, because I got some wheels. I got to polish them up, clean them up and whatever, get my tires mounted. Then I got to get 2 more tires, and we're going to be slowly getting into how I want to look. I've been really debating on the body, like what I should do for the body. If I should take it to a body shop, and I don't know. I really don't like letting my car sit. I hear, especially here in KC, there's not too many people that get you in and out like how they say they do. They have your car for about 2-3 years, and y'all know how that go. But I'm really debating on the body, what I want to do with that. But hopefully next video I got some actual exciting things to watch. Let me know in the comments what y'all want to see, what kind of content y'all want to see. If I need to do more video, if y'all like videos like this, let me know. Or if y'all just messing with me because y'all mess with me, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully it's that. If not, if it's for the truck, then it's still love, because it's still a part of me, because I'm building it. Yeah, I'm real excited to, I can't wait. I can't wait to get this car on the road. I'm really trying, I'm trying to get this car on the road ASAP. Gotta order my mufflers, drive shaft. Eventually, I gotta rebuild my rear end. You know what I'm saying? I might make a video about that if y'all wanna see it. Eventually, I might be doing that. Gotta get my AC brackets, but it's still cold out here, so gonna have heat regardless. Fill it up with fluids, get my radiator hoses and all that, and she will pretty much be done. Then I gotta get it tuned again. I gotta put it on, I wanna put it on the dyno. Hopefully the 4060 lat holds up. If not, I gotta get it rebuilt, because I'm not putting nothing else in here. Let me know if y'all like this video. Leave it in the comments. Let me know what y'all wanna see next. Appreciate y'all for watching. Stay tuned.
And I can't let them have my mind, no way. I was on some different shit, I went my own way. Told my mama wipe them tears, it's gonna be okay. Made it from the bottom to the top, now I can't see the hate. Why they talking on my life like I won't make it? I'm too busy counting cheese while I'm getting faded. I won't say a word and these niggas still gon' hate me. And I ain't going to no club unless they tryna